This underground Batman-like parking was developed by an Italian company, IdealPark, situated in Verona, and they're pretty good with mechanical parking solutions. Park under the house with ultimate comfort, design, and technology. This extremely quiet system differs from other products on the market for the perfect integration with architecture. Unsightly fences are not needed due to a series of safety features such as a camera on the ground floor, a color display, and an LCD touchscreen on board that allows monitoring of the system and its surrounding area during operation. To contribute to a completely invisible and prestigious result, there is the possibility of paving the roof, covering with any material to make things in harmony with the surroundings. The cars parked in the basement are protected, as they can be removed only by inserting a coded key into the control panel to operate the plant. Even the parking lot has its security and privacy. With the IdealPark car lift, the cars can be driven to the different floors and additional parking spaces on the 2 basement floors of the building. For those who like to take care of the details of their home, avoiding ramps or cars parked on the surface without sacrificing green space or courtyards, the solution is the Invisible Garage, built using the new and exclusive car lift system from IdealPark. Wireless and automatic are the wave of the future for most designs, and Lanmoto is the world's first all-in-one wireless car tent that combines car protection, an outdoor shield, and even entertainment. Now, there is a car cover that fits all. Lanmoto car tent is big enough and provides extensive coverage, suitable for all cars, such as sedans, pickups, SUVs, Jeeps, Mini, and even 4-wheel beach vehicles. The device is connected to the car's surface with the help of suction power that can withstand a weight of 70 kilograms or 155 pounds. Its rechargeable battery works with low power consumption technology and lasts for 45 days on a single charge. The car tent automatically folds and expands with a single click on its remote. All you need to do is place this device on the roof and press the button. The car tent greatly protects the car from falling debris and other problems caused by parking beneath a tree. It keeps the car dry when it rains and is easy to operate. Lanmoto car tent structure is made of fiberglass to make it strong enough to withstand windy weather, falling objects, and even hail. It also greatly reduces the heat, making your car 75% cooler and protecting all the interior surfaces. Lanmoto car tent is even fitted with 4 wind ropes that can be attached to car door handles and front view mirrors for better stability. And best of all, the device costs only $349. Since its launch, the helmet light has been selling well in France, Cosmo's home country. The product is equipped with a 900 mAh lithium-ion rechargeable battery, offering between 5 and 8 hours of continuous use and between 5 and 7 days on standby mode. With the battery designed for safe use in temperatures ranging from -20 degrees Celsius to 65 degrees Celsius, meaning you're free to use Cosmo in reasonably extreme conditions. It has a magnetic mount for easy installation and removal. In most countries and states, it's required by law to wear one, so safety first. There are several states for Cosmo's 24 LED light. Mimicking a car's brake lights, Cosmo shines bright red when the rider decelerates, warning anyone behind that the bike is coming to a stop or slowing down. When deceleration is detected, Cosmo Connected cranks this to a higher intensity light, just like car brake lights. In the unfortunate event of a rider or passenger falling or being involved in an accident, when their helmet hits the ground, Cosmo automatically starts blinking red, notifying drivers that the rider is on the ground and needs help. It even promises to alert up to 3 contacts in case of an accident. At 129 pounds and 99 pence, it has the potential to be a fantastic addition to any rider's kit. This amazing box is very transformable in nature and has multiple uses in various places. The revolutionary foldable garage is made by an Italian MIKEA Engineering. GazeBox is designed to protect vehicles of all sizes, from motorcycles to small, medium, or large cars, trucks, campers, and even boats. The special panels on the GazeBox protect against any outdoor element, from harmful UV radiation to animals, resin trees, hail, ice, or other weather-related nuisances. There is also a cool idea to use it on the balcony to make it automatically open or close at will. Talk about convenience! When it gets cold or snowy outside the balcony, you can close it. And when there's a good windy environment outside the balcony, you can open it and enjoy life. Pricing starts at $5,000 for the basic GazeBox Moto. However, the cost of building a single parking stall in a Seattle residential garage is an estimated $20,000 to $50,000 according to some reports.
Hey there! I appreciate your interest in our YouTube channel. By becoming a member, you'll enjoy exclusive perks like premium content, custom emojis and badges, and direct support from me. Your membership helps me create more content. Join this community and experience the mind-blowing future. Click Join to support us and enjoy these exciting perks.